carrying the accessory bag and one of the 200-foot hose loads. Firefighter 1 proceeds to the standpipe connection on the landing below the fire floor. Firefighter 2 follows Firefighter 1 into the stairwell, carrying the remaining 100 feet of hose. Once at the standpipe connection, on the landing below the fire floor, Firefighter 1 drops the accessory bag and removes the nozzle. He or she then proceeds to the landing above the fire floor. Once on the landing above the fire floor, Firefighter 1 sets down the 100-foot hose load and prepares it for deployment. Note that in this instance, the firefighter brought the nozzle and the automatic nozzle attachment. Our preference is that you use the smooth bore nozzle and not the automatic nozzle unless it's deemed necessary. As firefighter number 1 prepares the first 100 feet of hose for deployment on the landing above the fire floor, firefighter number 2 proceeds to the landing on the fire floor to ready his 100-foot hose load for deployment.
Much more.
Once Firefighter 2 removes the straps from the hose load and spreads the coil out, he or she then uncoils enough of the outside of the hose load to reach the standpipe connection on the landing below the fire floor. He or she then hooks up to the standpipe connection using the short hose whip and gated Y from the accessory bag. Once Firefighter 2 is hooked up to the standpipe connection and the hose is connected to the gated Y, he or she can charge the standpipe and the hose whip up to the gated Y and then stand by to charge the line. Meanwhile, with the nozzle attached to the coupling on the inside of the hose coil on the landing above the fire floor, firefighter number 1 unravels enough hose from the outside of the hose coil to connect to the coupling on the inside of the hose coil on the fire floor. The line is now ready to be charged.
Charge the line.
Remember that as the line is charged, you still need to police the line to make sure there are no serious kinks before deploying. In this instance, the line got caught in the railing of the stairwell, and this caused a serious kink which needed to be resolved. You do not need to worry about small kinks that exist in the hose in the circular piles that exist once the line is charged. These will resolve themselves as the line is advanced. You can flow water without the line being completely advanced, but you should check any of the remaining coiled hose to make sure there are no catastrophic kinks, and you should also police the line all the way to the nozzle to make sure that no kinks were created while advancing it. Remember that you must not advance the line until it is charged. If you advance the line before it is charged, there will be severe kinking.